My name is Brittany Chanel, Brit for short, and over here on this channel we talk about all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, natural hair, and a little bit of travel. Today we have a Zara sale haul, and I know we just did a Zara video, but then Zara dropped this sale, and if you know me, you know that Zara gets all my coins, which I'm not proud to say. However, that is the reality. Zara gets all my money. I should just do a direct deposit to Zara. That is the story of my life. So basically, Zara has all these key staples. They've got, you know, anything that is on the designer runways, Zara is going to do a dupe of, or they're going to do something very similar, or you know, something inspired by the runway. So I love that for us because they're at a bit more reasonable price than obviously on the runway in Paris and or New York. Come on. But either way, I digress. So today we're going to talk about the key sale pieces that I was able to get my hands on, and I actually ordered these last week and they came in within, I think, 3 days they were delivered, except I'm still waiting for one piece, but I got it in another color which was actually delivered, so we'll just use our imagination. So to start off, I went ahead and I purchased this animal print dress, and like I said, if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with this pattern. I literally have 4 or 5 dresses slash tops in this pattern. Why? I don't know. My eyes naturally gravitate to it, and I think of all the things that I can do with pieces like this. Like, I think I could cinch it with an ivory belt or a black belt. I could throw on a black blazer over it. I could throw on a cream blazer over it. I could wear it with white sneakers. I could wear it with my mules. My mind just runs wild. So, of course, saw this on their sales items, sales rack, online sales rack, and I put it in my basket. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I did end up getting this in a size large. It is a bit more snug than most of my baby doll dresses, but I kind of like that because it gives me a little bit more shape. And baby doll dresses are not known to be, you know, they're not known to be figure hugging, but I like the fact that this is lined. I like the fact that it kind of complements my silhouette, and I just threw it on with these old Zara mules. Let me come up close so you guys can see the pattern and the detail. So good. It's got these strings here and then 3 little buttons that are a mix of brown and black to kind of complement the dress. So next up, I got this black bodysuit, which, if you know, Zara comes out with these every single season. They come out with their staple colors. They've got the bone or nude, the black, the white, and then every couple of seasons they'll interject some type of color. I think I've seen them in like mint, pink, and at one time I think they did like a baby blue. So this was on their sales rack. I have actually purchased this before. I purchased it in a size large when I originally purchased it, and it was too big. It's a very stretchy material, so keep that in mind if this is something that you're interested in. And I would recommend a piece like this for every woman's wardrobe, just because it is a staple. This belongs in a capsule wardrobe, and I wish that they had it in the white and also the bone, just so that I would have put it in my cart. But I did get a medium this time, and that is my appropriate size. So keep that in mind. If this is something that you're interested in, it is very stretchy and it's pretty secure. You probably don't even really need to wear a bra with it. I do have one on just for safe measure, but you probably don't even really need one. The next item I got are these high-waisted, what are these? These are like very long shorts, almost like husband shorts or guy shorts. I don't even know what to call them. They're not pedal pusher. What are these? Either way, they're in like a gray, black, and burgundy plaid. I thought that I would be able to dress this up with a Zara blazer or H&M or any other black blazer that I have. And I thought that that would be very, very cute. They were just a price that I could not resist. And if these items are still available, I will certainly list them down below so you guys can check them out and see what the sale prices are. I can't remember off the top of my head. I did get this in a size large. It is a little loose around the waist, but that's okay. You can just get them tailored. But let's go ahead and throw it on with the black blazer and see how that looks. Oh yes, yes. Yep, perfect. All right, so the black blazer kind of just elevated the look a bit. However, you could just wear these shorts with a top underneath or a button down, but the blazer just gives it a little bit more of an elevated look. I think this actually it came with a blazer, or it complemented a blazer, but the blazer wasn't on sale or it wasn't available on the website in my size. So this is how I would style this one up. So sticking with the black theme, I also bought this crisscross black long sleeve blouse. I just kind of pulled up the sleeves a little bit, and it is in a ribbed material, and it comes with these strings that you can tie in multiple ways. This is how it looks. It is very comfortable. You will need to pay close attention to the undergarments that you use, because naturally this cuts very steep. So you might want to, I think the model had on like a mesh bralette underneath it. If I had one, I certainly would put that on, because that would give the look, it would give us a little different of a look. But this is basically what the top looks like with these pants. And that piece that I was missing that has not been delivered yet, I don't even think it's been dispatched, is the white one to this top. It also comes in pink. I didn't think the pink would, it was more like a baby pink, so I thought I would pass on that one. But white and black, as you know, I'm always going to gravitate towards those two colors. So just because I can use them multiple ways and throughout multiple seasons. So I was also able to get my hands on this beautiful necklace. It is the huge chunky chain necklace. Not this one, this one. So I have a vision for this necklace. I plan on wearing it plain as a necklace, but I also plan on using it for a bandana scarf top that I have, kind of weaving it through and being able to wear it multiple ways. So I had seen this on one of the influencers, I think it was Lena Nori, or Lena Nora, and she tried it on with a bandana scarf, and she kind of wore it multiple ways and was able to use this as kind of the base. And I thought, absolutely, I need that in my life. Even though I have gold-plated chain necklaces like this, they are much smaller and they would not work for that function. So I am so glad I was able to get my hands on this. I don't know that this was actually a sale price. I think this was the general price, but I will go ahead and I will list it down below along with all the other items. So keeping along the jewelry line, I was also able to get my hands on these beautiful leaf, like teardrop earrings. They too were full price, but I just thought they were absolutely stunning. This is how they look. They are just so light and whimsical. They're beautiful. When I saw them on the model, I thought to myself, basket now. I need them. I need them. So I'm very happy with the purchase. I think that they are absolutely beautiful. So lastly, I purchased these mauve pink heels. I don't know that you can see them, so I will bring them closer to you, but basically they have a single strap across the toes with gold detailing. So this is the heel close up. I am sorry about Bella. And our background sound effects. And they're listed as pink, however they came and they're like a mauve pinkish slash purple. So the back is this mauve color. I don't know if you can tell, but the heel detail I thought was just so chic. And then the gold accents right here on the thin strap around the toes, and then also that wraps around right below the ankle. They are like a light or a champagne gold, which is perfect because they can be dressed up with gold and or silver. So I thought that these were very on trend right now, and I actually just got a bandana scarf that I am very much so looking forward to styling these up with, along with that chunky gold necklace. That concludes our quick Zara haul. Sorry it wasn't a lot of pieces, but as soon as I saw the sale, I went online. I figured what might complement my size and my shape and what sizes they still had available. So once again, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much for spending this time with me.